So yes, there is an infrastructure problem, but that's also a problem that is all over our country. So it's not that Kashmir is unique in lack of infrastructure. Whenever we go off the road, whenever we go to parts of the country which are slightly off the main centers, we face this problem.
तो बॉम्बे में भी वही प्रॉब्लम
बॉम्बे में वो प्रॉब्लम, बॉम्बे से 50 किलोमीटर दूर है आपको
50 में हमारे घर के बाहर प्रॉब्लम
You are here to promote tourism.
जी
Would you be sort of a brand ambassador if the government approaches you,
See-
brand ambassador of Kashmir?
See, the thing is that if I've got to be the brand ambassador, I've got to be the brand ambassador of India. Whatever we can do for a state, state by state, we will do this. And now we shot Bajrangi Bhaijaan here. We'll come back and shoot another film.
That's actually like being a brand ambassador, right? I mean, the point is that also you have to understand, even from the Bollywood point of view, there are a lot of people, or the bulk of Bollywood, that would be nervous to come to Kashmir for whatever reasons. There might be, not having correct information. There's a certain stereotype that happens in the media. The kind of reporting that happens in the media also sometimes skews one's perspective. So the fact that Salman Khan comes to Kashmir and shoots for 40 days is a huge signal going out and a huge message going out that things are normal. If Salman can shoot for 40 days in Kashmir, then anybody else in the industry can come and shoot in Kashmir. And it's not that we've stuck to say, safe, sanitized areas of Srinagar. We're all over the place. We've been in Belgaum, Aru, Sonmarg, Thajwa, Zojila, all over the place. So I think that itself is the act of being a brand ambassador for Kashmir.
I've come here, we're shooting here, we're promoting tourism here. There are a lot of people being employed here. There is another way of helping. We also had a Being Human camp here. We do as much as we can do, we will do. At least I will do. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा कि मुझे ये जगह बहुत ही पसंद आई है. And हम लोग बेवकूफ़ हैं कि जो हम लोग जाते थे स्विट्ज़रलैंड वगैरह शूटिंग करने के लिए, जबकि यहाँ पर सब कुछ है. And बस यही है कि इतनी सारी जगहें यहाँ पर एक्सप्लॉइट करने के लिए ऑन फिल्म. अब आप शायद हनीमून के लिए आए या छुट्टी के लिए आए, फैमिली के साथ या शूटिंग के लिए आए. You should come and visit this place. You should come and see this place. I think this is like the most beautiful place that is on planet Earth. और जहाँ हमारी फिल्मों के अंदर अगर ग्रीनरी का कुछ हो, पहाड़ों का कुछ हो, नदियों का कुछ हो, खूबसूरती से कुछ भी रिलेट हो, we will definitely try and come here.